After about a year of drought, we had a day of crazy south winds. About noon on March 31st, a power line in the hills south of Bartlesville came down. The wind was blowing the fire directly toward a neighborhood, prompting evacuations. I went out on April 1st to see the aftermath, but the fires were still burning. The current estimate is 6,000 acres were burned. That's about 9¼ square miles, including 8 houses and many sheds and outbuildings. There are no reports of injury or death.